As Ukraine refuses to surrender and Russia escalates its attack, global crude oil price spikes once again. Global crude oil has now reached the $117 per barrel mark. Let me go across to our colleague Somit joining us from Mumbai newsroom. So Somit, the fluctuations in the crude oil price continue, and we have been tracking that on Mirror now since day one. But help us understand its impact on the oil prices back home here in India.
Well, the impact on prices in India is much less, because if you see, the volatility has happened over the last 15 days. So more or less, the prices have remained in the range of around 100 to $118 per barrel level. But if you see the sudden rise that we have seen, it's around 20%. From around $98, it has come up to around $118 per barrel. Now, there are multiple reasons behind this surge in crude prices. Firstly, the supply crunch coming in as traders are looking to avoid the Russian crude. Secondly, it's the European Union governments that are looking to put an embargo on the Russian crude, and they are meeting with the US government to decide on this week. Along with this, over the weekend, if you see, the attacks by Yemen's Houthi group also caused a temporary drop in output in Saudi Aramco's refinery, and moreover, the OPEC Plus producers are also falling short when it comes to their production target. Now, amid all this, the demand has continued to remain strong, and because of this, the oil inventories are falling and putting a pressure on the oil prices, and that's the reason we are seeing crude prices at now at around $118 per barrel. Also, the talks of a nuclear deal with Iran has not been finalized, and there has been no outcome on that front, which was expected to put in more supplies in the market and ease of the prices. So nothing has happened so far on that front. Now, the only key risk to the surge in crude prices is the lockdowns that have been announced by China, because of which the demand could be hampered going forward. So that's the one key thing that we need to watch out for, and that could pull the oil prices down.